All right, let's look at today. Let's look at what we call VAT. We look at what we call VAT. VAT is VAT. VAT is value added tax, and it's calculated at a percentage of calculated at 15%. It's an example of what we call the indirect tax. It's paid indirectly. All right. What I want you to know, we have items that have no VAT. Items without VAT, we shall call them VAT exclusive items. Items that have no VAT or without VAT, we shall call them VAT exclusive. VAT exclusive, or another word there will be zero rated items. Zero VAT rated items. All right. Then we have, okay, these ones will be examples of these will be examples. We have examples we have. Probably we can start with brown bread. It's VAT free. It has no VAT. Brown, actually, all brown rated items. All right. Then we have maize meal, the maize flour. The maize flour, then we look at eggs. We look at vegetables. Vegetables, we have cooking oil. Cooking oil. We have paraffin. Paraffin. We have petrol. We have diesel. These items don't have VAT. No, it would depend on the list that you have, but these ones commonly don't have VAT. Then we have items that are VAT exempted. Items that are VAT exempted. These ones, VAT was removed from them. Items that are VAT exempted. All right. These ones would be services. Most cases, we have the educational services. Educational services. We have the transport services. Transportation. We have the welfare. This is to do with well-being. The welfare organizations, they are not charged with VAT. Organization. Financial services, they don't have VAT on them. Actual welfare, this is where also rent falls, just to ensure the well-being of a human being. But exempted, then we have zero VAT, Then the rest are VAT inclusive. So if an item includes VAT, we say it's VAT inclusive. Items that include VAT, simply we say VAT inclusive. inclusive items. All right. Now, we would like to know the categories of questions that you will ask, you would expect to see in VAT, types of what type of questions, that are expected. One, look for the value of VAT, value of VAT. Two, include VAT. Will be asked to include VAT, or will be asked to exclude VAT. We shall see how we go about these questions here. If you're looking for the value of VAT, it will depend. If the price already includes VAT, that means you're going to multiply by 15 over 115. If the price includes VAT and you're looking for the value of VAT, this one will give you the value of VAT. Now, if the price excludes VAT, all you will do is to get 15 over 100. And also this one will give you VAT. Now, this way, you're looking for the value of VAT, how much VAT is added, or how much VAT was added. All right, number two, we look at including VAT. How do we include VAT? When you're to include VAT, you will have to, first of all, you may look for 15% of the price that has no VAT, which is price excluding VAT. You understand? Plus the same price, which has no VAT. So the answer you get here, it will be price including VAT. It has VAT on it. Or the other method would be, you get the price excluding VAT. You just multiply it with 1,15 straight away. You still get the price including VAT. So if you want to include VAT, these are the two methods. Then so here, if you asked to exclude VAT, when you're excluding VAT, you take the price that already includes VAT, the price with VAT inclusive, you will need to divide by 1,15. What you're going to do here, you get a price that excludes VAT. Once you do this, the price you get is excluding VAT. Then, number two, you would get the price including VAT minus the value of VAT. Answer you get will be price excluding VAT. All right, we shall go into details a little bit and we see how this comes about. Now, take note of this table here. We have a table that says exclude. This is where the price is still okay. Nothing has been added so far. Then we go to VAT. So if the price excludes VAT, then you have its VAT. That means at the end, you're going to get price including VAT. I want you to remember this. So when the prices that are, when the price is excluded, when there's no VAT, It's at 100%. The VAT that you're going to add is 15%. So VAT included, when you add the two, you end up having 115%. All right, now it depends on what you're going to look for. There's a method that we use after analyzing this table here. There's a method that we use. So there's a method that we use, and you say any answer, actually, the answer you're looking for will always be got from the amount you have times the percentage that you want over the percentage that you have. These are amount that you have, and this other side we shall need percentages. These are values. These are values. Example, we shall say James bought a pair of shoes worth 480. James bought a pair of shoes worth 480. So question A asks how much VAT was included. Then determine how much was the price before VAT. Now James bought a pair of shoes worth. You're saying a pair of shoes worth 840. Now, the moment the person buys, this price here already includes what? The price already includes VAT. So they're asking you how much VAT was added or how much VAT was included. So let's try it out here. So remember we said the price that we have already includes VAT. So we are here. What we have, it's this one here. What we are looking for or what we want, it's this. You understand? So here we shall say, my answer will be the amount I have times what I want over the percentage I have. So here the amount I have is 408 times what I want it as, I want 15%. What I have is 115. So what answer do I end up having? So how much VAT is it? So I'll take my 480 times 15 over. So I have the amount of VAT as 62 rands, 61 cents. This is the amount of VAT. How much VAT was added? So if I ask how much was the price before VAT, simply meaning we are looking for price excluding VAT. We shall use the same method. We say answer equals to what I have, which is 180 times what I want. What I want is before VAT, which is VAT exclusive. So it's at 100 over 115. So when I do that, I'll end up having 417, 39 cents. Or someone here would have done 480 minus the VAT, which is 62 rands. 62 rands and 62 rands 61 cents. Still, I will get the answer as there's no problem. So here we have done our question. All right. This is all about VAT, value added tax. These are the formulas that you can remember offhand. If you don't want to remember offhand, you should remember this table here and its formula. Example number 2. Example number 2. Example number 2, we might be given example number 2. Example number 2. You might be given just VAT and they want you to calculate the price inclusive and the price exclusive. So they might tell you 15% VAT of an item is 180. Then they ask you calculate the original price. Original price, that means the price without VAT. Then B, calculate the total price. They have only given you VAT, which is 180. So now this is still we shall use this formula here that we have. Remember, this is VAT that we have. In other words, we are having 15%. If you're looking for the original price, we shall need 100%. And if you're looking for the total price, we shall need 115%. All right, don't include the percentage signs, but I just wanted to. So for answer part A, we shall say the answer will equal to what I have, which is 180, times what I want, which is 100, over what I have as 15. So we come in and we substitute. So here the answer is 1,200. This is the original price. So if you're looking for the total price, which means the VAT exclusive, we are looking for the total price, which means we are looking for VAT price inclusive, the price that includes VAT. So we shall say, still we have the same story. We say our answer will equal to the amount times what we want over what we have. So the amount that we have is 108 times what we want it to be 115 over what we have as 15. So we shall do that and we end up having the answer as 1,300 and what? 80. Yes, someone else would have taken the price without VAT plus the VAT that you already have here. So still it will give you the answer as 100. So 1,380.